Hello everyone, Frank here again, showing you how to draw a rainbow dash from My Little Pony. I'm gonna start with a simple circle and then I'm gonna draw a line of action just to show me where her body is going. After that, I'm gonna shape her like a balloon dog. Like this, it's gonna be an oval for the neck and another oval for the rest of the body. Then I'm gonna draw the legs very roughly. Her legs are gonna be wider, closer to the hooves. And the hind leg is gonna follow a different pattern. So I draw a little curve here, and then I'm gonna make something like a hook for the back of the leg, almost like a question mark. And then I'm gonna connect the leg with her behind with a curve. It goes straight to her back. Now let me mark the center of her face. And then I'm gonna make this curve, which is gonna be the shape of the eye and also the nose. I'm gonna bring a curved line from the nose down to the neck, like this. And if you're enjoying the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. It helps us a lot keep our regularity and improve the quality of our content. So please like the video, subscribe and activate the bell. That's very important for us. I've just marked a line just to know where to place the eyes. So the eye is gonna be a big oval. I'm gonna draw 3 eyelashes on the side. Then I'm gonna draw 3 more ovals for the inside of the eye. For the other one, 2 will suffice, because one of the colors is gonna be hidden by the angle. Two lines just to mark the nose and the mouth. The ear is gonna come out of the back of the head. And then I'm gonna start drawing the hair. One of the locks is gonna go to the center of her face, between the eyes. And then here I just draw a general outline of what the hair is going to be. So following the outline until the back of the head. For her mane, I'm going to make one lock that goes up to here and 2 more. And the last one is going to be close to her left leg, connecting it with a curved line to the back of her head. Now she's going to have the wing, and I'm going to draw 4 big feathers. Just repeat the process 2 more times with 3 feathers. Now I'm gonna draw a rough outline of what her tail is gonna be. And then from what I have drawn, I just make it more hair-like. And she's gonna have a little tattoo or a mark on her behind. And that's gonna be a simple cloud with a rainbow lightning coming out of it. Now that I'm quite satisfied with the sketch, I'm just gonna get the marker and do the outline. And then I'm gonna erase whatever I don't want to show, and she's basically ready to be colored. Rainbow Dash is a character that has very vibrant colors, so I decided to use watercolor paint, but you can use crayons or maybe you can use your colored pencils. This part is entirely up to you. And that's it, Rainbow Dash is ready. Thank you very much for watching the video up to this point. The comment section is open for you, so please leave a comment and tell me what you want to see next. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I also hope to count on you guys next time. Bye bye.